Hi guys, today I'm back with a new mold to test out. Now this one is a little teddy bear, which I think will be a keychain later on. Now, I have mixed up some epoxy resin and I've just added this glitter from Glitter Overload Neon Collection Aqua. It is an aqua colour obviously, but it is two-toned. There is a blue and a green glitter combined in that. So you can see the green flakes in there. Oh, focus. Anyway, I'm just going to fill this mold up and we'll see what it turns out like. Okay, I'll let that sit for a few minutes and then I will get my little heat tool and I'll pop any bubbles that do appear and I'll let that cure for at least 48 hours before I come and unmold it. Okay, it has been 48 hours. Time to unmold this sparkly, glittery teddy bear. This mold had all the indents to make it really pop. Oh, nearly there. And there you have it. Oh gosh, look at the facets on that. So pretty. And you can definitely see the two-tone glitter. So nice. Well, if you're looking for something unique, give this mold a go, guys, and catch me next time for some more resin mold testing. Bye, guys.